Hey, so Indies, yeah. Hey, so Indies, hey, yeah. Go and try your luck, test me in again, we let it rain, please don't start us up.
So sometimes when we go to buy a caravan, it isn't always exactly what we thought, or it's not exactly what we wanted. Turned up to get a van, and unfortunately the cable is in a bit of a mess. None of the lights are working. We've tried everything, and unfortunately it's not a job that we can just do while we're picking the van up. So we've got no option really than to either leave the van and then come back and do it at another time. Luckily we've bought this little system. It's a Connix LED lighting unit. Now I must just say this isn't a paid advertisement. We've actually been out and bought this with our hard-earned money. We're not getting paid to do this. This is just something that we've found really useful for ourselves. Now what this unit does is, it is a 7-pin plug, and you can charge all the individual parts of this up. So these just run off USB, and they can just be charged individually. So you plug your charger in to the little unit there. When you put these on, we get a little battery indicator just to tell us how much battery that we've got in each light unit. So the little unit itself that plugs into the back of the car is a 7-pin. So if you've got 13-pin on your vehicle, you will need a little adapter, which is what we've got in the back of ours at the moment. Make sure that both of the light units are charged up, and then what we can do is we literally plug this in where we would have normally plugged in the Caravan plug. And then what you'll notice is already, if I just put that into the dark there, we've got our side lights come on. And what I'll do is I'll just pop these underneath. I've turned this one on. And then as I run my lights in the vehicle, you'll then see that we get our indicators on each one, and then our brake lights. So if we get a caravan or a trailer that hasn't got any lighting, we've got an issue with the lighting, we've got an issue with the plug, we can literally just pop these onto the back of the caravan. Do just have to make sure that you obviously get the sides correct, and then what we normally do is we've got a little clamp that just clamps them onto the handles, holds them on, and then these will just work. The range is I believe about 30-40 foot, so you've got no issues with distance. They'll work from quite a way back, but really little handy unit in case we've had it before where the sockets pulled out, dragged along the floor, and then we've ended up with no lights at all. As this caravan is in a bit of a sorry state, we've turned up, there's been an issue with the plugs, and we've just been able to pop these on the back, and off we go. It's not caused any big issues.